Hey, my name is Nick with Couch Guitar Straps, and I'm here to show you how to install your Schaller S-Locks into your guitar. So what you need is a screwdriver to remove your current strap locks, an Allen wrench, 3mm, and a micro-tip screwdriver. In your box, there should be a strap button, a lock wheel, and the strap lock itself. First step is to remove your current strap buttons. Next up, we're going to install the Schaller strap button using the 3mm Allen wrench. And you're going to want to do it to both sides of the guitar. So next, we're going to take the lock and put it through the keyhole of the guitar strap. It might be a little tight at first with the new strap, but don't worry, over time, it'll give and fit to the circumference of the lock itself. As such. So next, we're going to put the lock wheel of the strap lock onto the lock itself. So make sure you put the flat end face downwards. So you're going to want to have the smoother surface on top. And then just spin it to lock. So for added security, use a 2mm Allen wrench to get through the hole of the lock wheel and tighten it as such. To secure the lock wheel, we're going to use the micro-tip flathead screwdriver to tighten the screw on the lock wheel. Alright, so we're going to do that to both ends of the guitar strap. And remember to use the U of the guitar strap facing upward, because it's going to hook into the strap buttons. And finally, we're going to attach the strap to the guitar. Ready to rock. Now, this is Nick with Couch Guitar Straps, and I hope this video has been informative for the installation of your new Schaller strap locks.